In the recycling industry, equipment like balers, compactors, mobile shredding trucks, and transfer station compactors work under intense conditions, processing large amounts of material daily. You need hydraulic cylinders built for power, precision, and durability to keep these machines operating at peak performance. At Aggressive Hydraulics, we design, engineer, and manufacture custom hydraulic cylinders that meet the rigorous demands of this industry. From balers to compactors, our hydraulic cylinders are specifically engineered to deliver smooth, powerful operation in every application. Proudly made in the USA, our cylinders are manufactured to the highest standards, with short and accurate lead times to ensure you get the solutions you need right when you need them. Our certified fluid power experts work directly with resellers, OEMs, and integrators to design cylinders tailored for your equipment. Aggressive Hydraulics provides custom-engineered hydraulic solutions that ensure your equipment stays reliable and efficient cycle after cycle.